8:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Otis, or near Houston, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Alexandria International Airport around 8:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pineville and Kingsville around 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Woodworth. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 71 and 91. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for East Central Yazoo County in central Mississippi, northern Madison County in central Mississippi, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Marylandville, or 14 miles southeast of Yazoo City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near way around 10:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sharon around 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Camden around 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for central Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Abbotsburg, or 9 miles southwest of Elizabethtown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. At 3:13 p.m., train spotters reported a funnel cloud on US-701 west of Whiteville, but no tornado was visible at the time. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Elizabethtown and Bladen Community College around 3:35 p.m. Ruskin around 3:40 p.m. White Oak around 3:45 p.m. Ammon around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dublin, Clarkton, White Lake, and Bladen County Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 74 near mile marker 382, in between mile markers 391 and 392. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Putnam, TN, at 1:43 p.m. on Dec 25th, 2020, effective until 9:43 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. Putnam County Alert. An 10% T outage is currently causing issues with reaching 911. For cell phone emergency calls in Putnam County, Tennessee, dial 931-261-6219. Monitor social media and local news media reports for updates.
Doubleheader. What is it? FLW? Yep.
The National Weather Service in Sterling,
Uh-oh.
Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Rappahannock River at Remington.
They're good, thank you.
At 6:15 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 8.4 feet, or 6.7 feet below flood stage. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 18.0 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning. Impact at 18.0 feet. Water approaches homes south of Remington and covers the parking area at the Kelly's Ford Boat Ramp. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 18.0 feet on January 26, 2010.
Doubleheader. FLW. Go off, please.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a warning for the Conoco Tree Creek at Fairview.
Thank you.
Saturday at 6:45 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 5.3 feet, or 4.7 feet below flood stage. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 11.7 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage Saturday morning. Impact at 12.0 feet. Water approaches homes north of Williamsport.
Thank you.
Some homes in the campground will also be cut off from access due to flooded roads, but the homes themselves are not flooded. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.7 feet on November 25th, 1950. This is a statement from
Nice.
the National.
Okay, so as you see here, I just turned the microphone on. So yeah, something you can actually do is you can actually turn on the, say like you're screen recording something, and you need to all of a sudden you want to turn the microphone on your phone, you can do that. Anyways, so first of all, I would like to thank SBC Hanover 8947 for allowing me to record his video. I did get permission from him to record his video. In fact, we go into the live chat from earlier. Change it to live chat. So yeah.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe
The civil authority has issued hazardous material warning for the following counties/areas. Summit, Utah, at 2:51 p.m. on X 30th, 2020, effective until 3:51 p.m. The truck leaking propane on the highway requires immediate evacuation of the area at this time. When directed, please move to a safe distance as indicated by public safety officials. Please travel on the Echo-fronted road towards Hanover and avoid the freeway at Echo Junction. Shelter is available at LDS Church in Hanover, 142 E 750N. Please wear a mask and social distance upon arrival. Summit County will provide hourly updates until the scene is safe to re-enter.